Hey there, future home inspection entrepreneurs. Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss, helping homebuyers make informed decisions, and diving into the world of property assessment? Well, you're in luck because today, we've got the ultimate guide on how to start a home inspection business in the United States in 2024. I can assure you, by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to turning that dream into a reality. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe now to be informed of the latest business ideas. Let's start the video. Why home inspection business? Now, you might be wondering, why a home inspection business? Well, contrary to popular belief, it's not just about spotting cracks in foundations or evaluating HVAC systems. A home inspector provides a crucial service, assessing the condition of a property and helping homebuyers make confident decisions. It's a rewarding venture that can be operated on a part-time or full-time basis, allowing you to play a key role in the American dream. So, let's dive into the steps of starting your very own home inspection business. Overview of the home inspection industry. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick look at the home inspection industry. It's been on a steady rise, thanks to increased real estate transactions and a growing emphasis on property condition disclosure. According to the American Society of Home Inspectors, there are currently over 25,000 inspectors in the U.S., and the industry is expected to generate a whopping $5 billion in annual revenue by last year. So, there's definitely a demand for this valuable service. Steps to start a home inspection business. Alright, let's get to the good stuff, the steps to kickstart your home inspection business. Step 1. Market analysis. Before you dive in, you need to assess the size of your local home inspection market. Government websites are goldmines for housing data, giving you insights into property values and sales volumes in your area. But don't stop there, get to know your competitors. Evaluate their services, pricing, and online presence. This will help you find your unique angle, whether it's expertise or an unmet need in the market. Knowing your target audience is key. It could be first-time homebuyers, real estate agents, or even insurance companies. Tailoring your services and marketing approach accordingly will set you up for success. Step 2. Create a business outline. Think of it as your roadmap, guiding you from mission to financial projections. It's not just number crunching, it's a reality check. Break-even calculations will tell you if your business is viable. For example, if you need 20 inspections per month to break even, check if there's enough real estate activity in your area to support that. Adjustments might be needed in costs or revenue streams. Your business plan is your strategic blueprint, ensuring you're on the right track. Step 3. Register the business. Now that you've done your homework, it's time to make things official. Choose a business structure: sole proprietorship, general partnership, corporation, or limited liability company, LLC. For a home inspection business, an LLC is often recommended for liability protection and operational flexibility. Here, we can recommend your best fit limited liability company, LLC, like Taylor Brands. They will make your way easy to build a legal business empire in your state. Register your business name, consider doing business as DBA for sole proprietors or partnerships, and register with the state for corporations and LLCs. And of course, check if your business name is available as a web domain. It's never too early to think about that online presence. Education and certification. The requirements vary by state, ranging from extensive training and experience to no license at all. Familiarize yourself with local real estate inspection laws and consider obtaining a certified home inspector designation for that extra edge. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on your location, you'll likely need a local business license, seller's permit, and employer identification number, EIN. Make sure you're ticking all the legal boxes before moving forward. Step 4. Organize operational infrastructure. With the legalities out of the way, it's time to get down to business. Consider where you'll operate, from home to save costs or leasing an office space for that professional image. Invest in tools and equipment, your trusty vehicle, electrical tester, flashlight, and more. Create checklists and procedures to ensure consistent, thorough inspections. And don't forget reporting software. It not only streamlines your business, but also adds a touch of professionalism to your reports. Step 5. Develop a marketing plan. It's not just about the technical know-how, you need to get the word out there. Network with real estate agents, contractors, and lenders, build those relationships. Your online presence matters too. A professional website is your digital business card. Optimize it for search engines, encourage client reviews, and don't underestimate the power of a strong brand. A catchy name, memorable logo, and cohesive business cards can set you apart. Step 6. Ready for launch. But before you do, there are a few final tasks. Business insurance is crucial. Errors and omissions insurance, E&O, and general liability insurance will protect you from oversights and potential harm during inspections. Set up bookkeeping, use accounting software, or hire an accountant to keep your finances in check. Establish clear contracts with clients, outlining scope, fees, and terms to avoid misunderstandings. Open a separate business bank account for streamlined finances and consider accepting credit cards for convenient payments. Is a home inspection business profitable? All right, let's talk numbers. Well, the typical inspector charges $300 to $500 per inspection, aiming for 2 to 4 inspections per day. With an average time on site of 2 to 3 hours, plus report generation time, the potential annual revenue for a full-time inspector can reach around $312,000. Of course, expenses like insurance, marketing, and equipment need to be factored in. But even for newcomers, the potential for 6-figure earnings is there if you build a solid reputation and client base over time. How much does it cost to start a home inspection business? The initial investment ranges from $2,000 to $5,000. Licensing fees, tools, software, marketing, it all adds up. But consider it an investment in your future success. Skills for running a home inspection business. Lastly, let's talk skills. Running a successful home inspection business requires a mix of technical, interpersonal, and business skills. From technical knowledge and analytical skills to communication and customer service skills, here's a breakdown of the key abilities you'll need. Technical knowledge. As a home inspector, you'll need to be well-versed in everything from foundational issues to mechanical systems. Offering practical solutions to homeowners adds an extra layer of value to your service. Analytical skills. Home inspectors must identify issues that aren't always immediately obvious. It's all about having a keen eye for detail and the ability to analyze various elements of a property. Communication skills. Clear communication is crucial as you explain your findings to clients who may not have a technical background. Whether verbal or written, effective communication ensures your clients understand the ins and outs of their potential homes. Customer service skills. Speaking of clients, customer service skills are a must. Being polite, respectful, and responsive to questions and concerns helps build a positive reputation and fosters lasting client relationships. Business management skills. Let's not forget business management skills. As a business owner, understanding basic operations like marketing, accounting, and project management will keep your venture running smoothly. Problem-solving skills. Problem-solving skills are also crucial. Every property is unique, and inspectors need to be adaptable and quick on their feet to solve any issues that arise during inspections. Last but not least, continual learning. The home inspection field is ever-evolving, with new technologies and regulations. Staying updated ensures you maintain high standards of service and adapt to industry changes. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide on how to start a home inspection business in the United States in 2024. From market research to setting up operations, we've covered it all. Remember, success in this field is not just about technical skills, but also about building strong relationships, maintaining a professional image, and staying informed. One of the best ways to start your business is by registering an LLC with the market topper. A limited liability company, LLC, is a business structure in the U.S. that protects its owners from personal responsibility for their debts or liabilities. Taylor Brands is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Taylor Brands. So to start us off, what exactly is Taylor Brands? Taylor Brands is the world's pioneer AI-driven all-in-one solution for businesses that want to form their LLC, but that is not all there is to it. Taylor Brands is really a one-stop shop because it also provides you with literally everything you need to kickstart your business in literal minutes, including a logo maker, website builder, domain registrars, business mailbox, digital business cards, website designers, branded merchandise, registered agent, EIN, operating agreement, and or even annual report filing. They have literally everything you need to kickstart a business. And what types of businesses does Taylor Brands serve? Well, Taylor Brands will help you quickly form an LLC for your business, whether it deals in physical goods, services, hospitality, original content, technology and software, or literally anything else. Whatever business you have, you can get it set up on Taylor Brands. So, what's the process for applying for an LLC with Taylor Brands? Well, you can apply for an LLC in just 3 simple steps, and let me just tell you about them. Step 1. Specify your state. So on the Taylor Brands official website, you'll see a Choose Your State field. Click on the drop-down menu and choose your state. After that, click on Get Started. As simple as that. Step 2. Respond to some simple questions. Next, you will come across a series of questions that you have to respond to. These questions simply help the platform understand what your business is all about, seeing as you respond with things like the name of your business, what things you will offer, whether you will have employees, what stage is your business at, and so on. You'll also have to provide your personal information, for example, your name and email address. And of course, this information will not be shared with anyone else. It's just used for forming your LLC. Step 3. Just simply submit your LLC. Once you've provided all the necessary information, Taylor Brands will then submit your LLC application, and yes, that is it. It literally takes less than 5 minutes of your time and you'll have an LLC submitted. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well, and start your entrepreneurial journey. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and that's all for today.